Hi and hello, welcome to the Why I Moved to Florida channel. My name is Christopher Beverly and I'm here to turn your dreams into keys. Today we're in wonderful Heathrow, Florida. If you don't know where that is, we're about 30 minutes away from Orlando, 45 minutes from the Disney, Universal, SeaWorld, all the fun theme parks. This house that we're at today is priced at $1.2 million. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 4,000 square feet with a 3-car garage. So if you have a sports car, you have a luxury sedan, or if you have a van for the family, you have more than enough room for the vehicle. Let's go check out this wonderful home that has a pool. So if you're looking for a pool home, this could be yours. Let's go check it out. One thing I like about this property, you have a nice porch area. Here in Florida, we get really good weather outside, so you can be enjoying your wonderful time. Natural wood floors throughout the whole property. It just opens up in this big oasis. Now, what should we check out first? Let's check out the primary suite. Before we get there, I think this room could be a wonderful office. It gets nice light. You can see your pool while you're working, conducting your deals. To the left here is the primary suite. Dual doors. And one thing I like, most of the rooms, you have access to the pool. Like even this one. You can open up both of the doors as soon as you wake up in the morning, get the fresh air right on you, right from your pool. Let's go check out the primary suite, which is great. If you like to relax and just enjoy life, you have a nice tub right here, dual vanities, nice walk-in shower, plenty of room for all your shower activities as well. Now, if you have a lot of clothes, this closet right here is amazing. Racks on racks. You have this room that's a closet, and you have also this room as a closet. Equal amount of space too for both husband and wife, or let's be honest, it would be all of the wife's space. Next, let's check out the pool area. It has a jacuzzi as well. Plenty of room for seating, entertaining, having your holiday parties, your family gatherings. And as you can see, there is no exterior neighbors. Hello, I don't hear or see anyone else. This is so private back here. So if you're looking for a private backyard oasis, this is amazing. You have a wet bar over here. So if you're prepping some food and you have your grill, you can have a wet bar right here. Plenty of storage down here. You can do a little mini fridge right here as well, leading off of the living room. Imagine this. Imagine entertaining with your family and friends. You have a big screen TV here. You have people hanging out right here. It's an amazing layout. And I love this kitchen. Open floor plan. You can be finishing up in the kitchen. You can see your living room here. You have your dining room right here. Nice wood cabinets. These are solid wood cabinets. Stainless steel Samsung appliances. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Let's go check out. We have the laundry room right here. Plenty of storage. Also additional closet here. Counter spaces, all included with your purchase too. Samsung appliances. A nice sink here so you can, scrub a dub-dub. All right, let's go check out some of the other bedrooms as well. Kind of have a his and hers. This can be different siblings, or it can be your relatives as well. Decent sized room, closet space, hardwood floors throughout the whole house with a mix of tile floors. It's a nice little full bath actually, full bath in this one. Please comment below your favorite feature of this house. I mean, as it's so much of a house. And of course, if you'd like to purchase this, feel free to reach out to me. I work in the state of Florida. I can sell in Miami, Orlando, pretty much all the spots. Stay tuned for more house tours just like this one as I post very regularly. I'll leave my information in the description below. Set up a buyer's consultation with me. We can go through your loan process, your credit score, if you're relocating from a different state. I'm a great help. Majority of my clients have relocated to Florida, and I enjoy the full process of getting you up to date on living here in Florida. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.